Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting XLS file, which is old Excel files, to subtitles file, SRT. So on my computer you can see I have XLS file, and I can double click. I'm sorry. I can double click to open it, and I don't have Excel installed in my computer, and you don't need Excel to use this application. You don't need Excel installed or Office installed or anything like this. But this Excel mobile allows me only to see what is inside the file, but it's not allowing me to change anything. It's like free version from Microsoft. But you can see I have a XLS file with start time, end time, and text, and all data in here. It's all in milliseconds, start time, end time, and I will be converting this file to SRT with application. I will install from my website. This is my website. To find application, I click on search and type SRT, and I need this create SRT file, and I will click XLS to SRT. I will leave link on this exact page into description, so you don't have to search it, but still. So I click on download button next to XLS to SRT, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on SRT formats and different video formats and converting them into one format or other. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are waiting for archive to be downloaded. And you can see archive downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive. Then double click on MSI inside archive to start installation and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select XLS file. I will click on this button to select input file, navigate to my subtitle folders. Where is my subtitle files? Here. And select my subtitles example and click on open. If you want to have this subtitle example, you can just click on this download input file example link, and it will download. It will open browser and show you the link, and you can just download link and use it. For example, if you want to reuse this XLS file and add your data into it, or your start time, end time text into it, you can do that too. So after file selected, input file selected, I'll click on next step. In this step, I'll have to match SRT columns on the left with columns from XLS on the right. So if I click on this, I see you may have a different column. You may have, like, for example, begin time or first time, and you can just match whatever you have for start time with the start time column, and the same with end time, and the same with text. Click on next. And on final step, just click on run to create a SRT file. And you can see it creates a SRT file and asking me for name and locations. Name and location is okay, just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see the file. I have a SRT viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of the SRT file. You can see it has, and allow me to search stuff if I want to. And you can see that this is a SRT file with all data in it. I can export into different format, or I can open it with Notepad+, just to show you what is inside the file. It's truly SRT with start, end, arrow, and text underneath, and with all numbers in it, and so on. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this and more application like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please like this video. Thank you.